right, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, August 1st, first trading day of the month, and we are looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 futures chart. And let's start. It's about 3 o'clock right now in the afternoon. Let me show you a few real nice trades today. Market closed right in here. See where I'm circling? That's where it closed on Thursday. It opened up lower today. All right, opened up lower and rallied right into a beautiful resistance zone right in here where I'm circling, right? This is a beautiful sell trade setup right back into the gray action zone. Just as expected, you would expect selling pressure to occur here, and it did. Okay, so there's a nice trade to the downside. As you can see, all profit targets easily hit to the downside. Then the market finally took out the low of the day. And if you wanted to implement what I like to call the first half-hour breakout in the direction of the overall trend, which at that point was down, and obviously yesterday the market got crushed, right? So it was continuing its downtrend at this point. So again, the first selling opportunity of the day was when the market rallied into the gray action zone here. Okay, and then this white horizontal line represents the initial low of the day. When the market reversed and came back down, selling it down through the initial low of the day easily gave you a 1-point profit target. And that's what I usually show, that if you're going to do the first half-hour breakout in the direction of the overall trend, right, carried over from the prior day and the current day, which obviously was down because you turned from the high of the day right in here. Market failed at that gray action zone, came down. First logical profit target is a quick one-pointer, hit 1 point on the bar of entry, rallied up right in here into the blue action zone, right? That acts as another selling opportunity, right? So if you were flat this market, as the market pulled back into that blue action zone, you would have wanted to have gotten short there. So as you can see, the market came down, easily hit your profit targets, hit a new low right in here. And if you chose to sell it again the third time right in here, that was also a profitable trade. As you can see, the market failed taking out the low of the day, right? Look at this. That low of the day was put in place at 12 o'clock. That low was 19.10 and a quarter. The market came down to 19.11, missed actually hitting that low by 75 cents, and then created one of my powerful price patterns, and that's a bullish outside vertical bar on the retest of the low of the day. A relatively low risk opportunity to look to buy the market in here, right in here, as you saw that bullish engulfing pattern here, with an initial stop loss below the low of the day. Could have been had. And as you can see, had a little patience. Market came up to the 50, kind of resisted a little bit, pulled back. And then as soon as the market came up and took out that high right in here, let me show it to you right here. So again, he created the bullish engulfing pattern here, right, on the retest of the low of the day. Put in this little high right here, the little pivot high right here. Pull back to this level, right, and then rallied up once it took out this upper white horizontal line. That was the confirmation that the market would probably change the trend from down to up. And as you can see here, the market continued moving higher, and the bars changed from red, right, to green right in here. So officially, the official trend based on everything I do changed from down, right, red bars, to green right where I'm pointing, right there, right here. On what time did that occur? That occurred at 1:54 Eastern Standard Time. That occurred on the close of 1922 and a quarter. Immediately ran up to 1926 and 3/4. And then, of course, look at the market pull back into the blue action zone, had a little rally, and then came back down further into the gray action zone, where I would expect the market to continue moving higher. But again, it's Friday afternoon. And the market's going to be closing here in an hour and 5 minutes. So I would be flat right now. But there were plenty of good trading opportunities today, as you can see. So hope that helps. Hope you can learn from it and apply it in your own trading. Have a great rest of the day and a great weekend. I'll be back with you on Monday. Bye for now.